Good morning, AP US History students. I hope this finds you well, and I hope you were able to enjoy a little bit of a break there with spring break. Our next Zoom meeting is going to be on Tuesday, Tuesday, April 14th. If you're in my first period class, we're going to meet at 12:45 and go until 1:30. If you're in my second period class, we're going to meet from 1:40 to 2:25, and if you're in my third period class, we're going to meet from 2:35 to 3:20. What we're going to focus in on the Zoom meetings is reviewing for Unit 3 and also talking about assignments that you all need to do for this week. I am still in the midst of grading short answers. I hope to have those completely graded for you guys by tomorrow, so you should be able to see how you did on them. And one thing that I in general want to say is that I know it's going to be hard to do, but I have confidence you guys can do it. We really need to beef up what I'm seeing in the short answers in terms of giving historical evidence, using the primary sources, explaining how the primary sources help you support your direct answer. And these are skills that we're practicing because that's what you're going to have to do on the DBQ. So I really want to emphasize that you all should be finding specific historical examples and using the primary sources to support your answers. So let's talk about assignments for this upcoming week. It's all laid out on this review calendar, which is found on Google Classroom. First of all, there's a periodization chart, and what that asks you to do is for units 1 through 7, look at the dates and come up with your own title of what you think the major theme is for each one of the units, to think about how they're divided, why they cover certain time periods, what's the major impact of historical events from those time periods. That's going to be due this Friday on 4/17. You're going to do another college review unit video. This week, they're actually recording review videos for units 1, 2, and 3. I want you to choose one of those units that you feel you need to review the most. Watch that review video and do the same review capture sheet that you have seen did before for last week. I want you to do that for also this coming Friday, 4/17. There are Unit 3 multiple choice questions. Those review questions, you're going to get full credit just for doing it. There's an explanation at the end of each question. After you take the quiz, you see which ones you got right, which ones you got wrong, and there's an explanation at the end. That, just for doing it, you're getting 100 points for that as a homework grade. That's going to go on fourth quarter also. And you're going to start this week working on something called a mini DBQ activity. This is instead of the short answer. What the skill we're going to work on this week is using specific examples of historical evidence to support DBQ question, the answer to DBQ questions. So I'm going to talk more about that in our Zoom tomorrow and go over that and hopefully answer whatever questions you guys have about that. That's going to be due next Monday on April 20th. All assignments are in Google Classroom, and I look forward to hearing from you guys and hearing the questions that you might have tomorrow in our Zoom. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.